Sensibility and practicality define the 2017 Chrysler Pacifica.
Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Chrysler prioritized comfort and style by including front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, a built-in garage door transmitter, and more. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.